Welcome back to Healing Path, your go-to place for simple, achievable, and effective ways to transform your body and strengthen your mindset one day at a time. If you're new here, welcome to a community built around balance, sustainability, and self-growth. Today, I'm going to guide you through a complete home dumbbell workout you can do anywhere. Whether you're in your living room, garage, or bedroom, you don't need a fancy gym membership or a high-tech setup to get stronger. All you need is a set of dumbbells, a little space, and the willingness to put in the work. As always, this is about moving with intention, prioritizing good form, and building a path toward a healthier, stronger you. Before we get into the workout itself, take a moment to center yourself. Whether you're watching this first thing in the morning, after work, or squeezed in between daily responsibilities, let this be your time. Breathe in deeply, roll your shoulders back, and get ready to focus on you. Your body and mind deserve these moments where you choose growth instead of excuses. Today's full body workout targets your legs, glutes, chest, back, shoulders, and core, all using dumbbells. This routine mimics the structure of traditional gym workouts, but with the comfort of being at home. Many people think you need heavy weights or machines to see results, but consistency beats complexity every single time. Be surprised how quickly your body can change when you challenge it with controlled movements and proper resistance. We're going to start with our first movement, the dumbbell squat. Stand tall, dumbbells resting gently at your sides or up on your shoulders. Feel your feet grounded and stable. Give yourself a second to check in with your posture. Now push your hips back, sink down slowly, and drive through your heels as you come up. Don't rush these. Focus on smooth, controlled reps. Squats are one of the most powerful exercises for building functional strength. They help your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, and even activate your core. As you're moving, remind yourself that every rep is building a stronger foundation. Up next, hinge forward into a dumbbell deadlift. Deadlifts help you develop strength in your posterior chain, the muscles you rely on for lifting, standing, and even sitting. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings at the bottom and the squeeze in your glutes at the top. If you have a bench at home, that's great, but if not, lying flat on the floor actually works extremely well. Press the dumbbells up, squeeze your chest at the top, lower them until your elbows lightly touch the ground, and push up again. This movement strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps. And pull the weights up toward your ribs. This exercise strengthens your back and helps correct posture. Many people spend hours sitting at desks, driving, or looking down at screens, and it shows in their posture. Rows help counter that. As you row the weight upward, think about lifting not just with your arms, but with your back muscles, squeezing at the top as if you're trying to hold something between your shoulder blades. Feel the engagement, feel the strength, and recognize how powerful your body truly is when you ask it to work. Next, move into the dumbbell shoulder press. Stand tall or sit if that feels more stable. Press the dumbbells straight up overhead, feeling your shoulders working to stabilize the weight. Shoulders are involved in nearly everything you do: lifting, carrying, pushing, and strengthening them helps protect you from injury and supports better posture. It's normal for this exercise to feel challenging, especially if your shoulders aren't used to overhead movements. But challenge is good. Challenge is growth. You're not here to stay the same. You're here to rise above your limitations, one rep at a time. After that, let's give attention to your arms with dumbbell bicep curls. Keep your elbows tight to your sides. Curl the dumbbells upward and lower them slowly to create tension. These extensions may feel tough at first, especially if you're not used to overhead movements, but this is where your focus matters. Keep your elbows close, engage your core, and breathe through the burn. This moment of discomfort is temporary. The strength you build from it is not. Now let's take it to the core. Sit down and grab your dumbbell for Russian twists. Lean back slightly, lift your feet if you're comfortable, and rotate side to side. As you twist, imagine your core as the anchor of your body, supporting your posture and powering your movements. Keep breathing, don't rush, connect with the movement, connect with your strength, and appreciate the effort you're giving. Hold a single dumbbell against your chest or straight up above you and crunch smoothly upward. Crunches are simple but effective when performed correctly. Your core doesn't need fancy equipment to become strong, it just needs consistency. This exercise strengthens your grip, shoulders, traps, core, and even your legs. It mimics real-life tasks: carrying groceries, moving boxers, handling daily physical responsibilities. This is functional fitness at its finest. You are building strength that carries beyond this workout and into your everyday life. Now that you've completed the full routine, take a moment to cool down. Set your dumbbells aside, roll your shoulders, loosen your neck, stretch your arms and legs, and breathe. Fitness isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, doing your best, and allowing yourself to evolve. And today, you did exactly that. As your heart rate slows, reflect on your effort. No matter where you're starting from, every session is a step forward. Strength isn't built in a single workout, it's built through habits, discipline, and the willingness to choose yourself. If this workout helped you, inspired you, or gave you the push you needed, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs a little extra motivation. I appreciate every single one of you. This community is built on support, growth, and positive change, and you are a part of that energy. Stay strong, stay consistent, and stay committed to your healing journey. I'll see you in the next session right here on Healing Path.